Hi my country people. Today I dey carry una go Oyinloye family for Otun Ekiti wey dem headquarters be Moba local government for Ekiti Southwest Nigeria. Na there dem born late Madam Margaret Oyeleke for 17th October 1939 into two royal families where im papa name be Prince Babalola Adeyinka from Otun Ekiti and im mama name be Princess Adeyoyin Adedayo for Asaoni Ora in Ila local government for Osun State, Nigeria. Na that little age wey female children dey tied to the apron of their papa, death come and snatch im papa away. This one come make Madam Margaret go live with her maternal uncle Prince Adetunji Adedayo wey be school supervisor for Okitipupa, Ondo State. Na there she start her primary education and later waka go Christ School for Ado Ekiti, Ekiti State for her secondary education. Madam Mojirade worked as clerk for Accounts Department of Ministry of Agriculture and Natural Resources, more plantation for Ibadan, and later dem transfer am go Osogbo where she come meet and marry Pastor Dr. Solomon A. Oyeleke. The Gombode produced 4 children. Dem be Mrs. Omolara Omotunde, daughter, Pastor Victor Adegboyega, son, Otunba Barrister Alex Adeoye Oyeleke, son, and Pastor Barrister Oyetunde Peter Oyeleke, son. Our mama wey we dey celebrate her life today attend St. Helens Teachers College for Ondo State and later go University of Ibadan. As body no be firewood, she retire for 1998 from active service after she don work as school head teacher for many years. Late Madam Mojirade na that kind woman wey love her children and give them care and sound education. Na this kind heart carry am go obodo oyinbo America go take care of im grandchildren for 15 years. As we all know, say na God dey give and na im dey take. Madam Mojirade breathe im last breath around 12 noon for Saturday, May 14, 2022. The wakekeeping take place on the 29th of September 2022 for Pastor Dr. Solomon Oyeleke Street, Nigerian Brewery Staff Cooperative Estate, Shimawa, Ogun State. Na 30th of September, they come carry family and friends go do entertainment for STADPLUS Events Centre, Express House off Otunba Jobi Fele Way, CBD Alausa, Ikeja, Lagos. A live band full ground to entertain and make sure say the invited guests from both home and abroad enjoy the occasion to the fullest as dem take that bid the final farewell to the departed soul. Madam Mojirade dey unique and wey go make many pipo remember am be say she be dat kind woman wey get large heart. She dey humble and caring to everybody wey come across her. To her family, she dey gidigba like pillar to her husband for everything. She dey dedicated to work of God and to the development of mankind. Dem go remember am for her meekness, humility and discipline. Madam Mojirade is survived by her husband, children and grandchildren. We at Gbemi Naija Gist commiserate with Oyeleke family as we wish Mama's soul find eternal rest for the bosom of the Almighty. Amen. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so dat we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele.